Tips and tricks on the LENOVO Tab M10. We'll begin with the navigation bar, which allows you to revert to physical buttons. Go to Settings, then Display, and select Navigation Bar. You can revert to the classic layout or choose the pill style with app switching. This lets you easily switch between apps while having physical buttons. Next is the side panel, which gives you a YouTube feed. You can launch videos from here, and tapping on a video opens the YouTube app. The app lock feature allows you to lock an app so it stays open when you clear all recent apps. Slide down on an app in recent view to lock it, and it won't be cleared until you unlock it manually. Device theme can be changed from display settings. You can choose automatic based on wallpaper or manually select light or dark mode. Finally, split screen mode is activated by holding an app icon in recent view and selecting split screen. Then you can open another app to run both simultaneously. This is useful for browsing while listening to music on YouTube without pausing. That concludes all the tweaks and tricks I wanted to share. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.